Hi, my name is Nurulizati Bidas Maidi and I will present about the introduction of the company's background. Irish Shipping Company, known as Islamic Republic of Iran Shipping Line, was founded in 1967. Started off with two domestic trading vessels and four bigger ocean-going vessels. The company has approximately 15 years of experience in the field of international marine transportation and employs a trustworthy international network. Next is market analysis. The Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces Logistics and their subordinates have used this national maritime carrier of Iran to facilitate shipment for and on behalf of these parties. This company has helped transport goods for UN and US sanctioned organizations, falsified paperwork, employed cover companies to conduct official business, and used generic language to get around shipping authorities.
Hi, I am Nur Akila. I will continue with the current global logistics structure. An analysis of the current global logistics structure of the IRISL group revealed the integration and cooperation relationship of end-to-end global supply, which include call center, manager, export terminal, shipment, custom broker, import terminal, supervision, transportation, and delivery. The IRISL calls center will receive orders from customer and their manager will add them to their database. When the cargo is received, it will inspected, planned for loading, consolidated with other cargo, stuffed into a container and moved to the export port where it will loaded into a ship for the shipment ordered by the customer. Next, import custom typically begin before the cargo arrives at its destination country. The import custom process must be complete prior to the cargo leaving a custom-bound area in the country destination. IRISL Group also supervision the goods before the delivery the good to the customer. Finally, the IRISL company will deliver the goods to the customer.
The first issue that faced by Iris Group is missing or wrong goods issue. The company has faced a high percentage of missing or wrong item because it does not have the step of sending the goods to the warehouse. Warehouse can help the company to pick, inspect, pack, and ship goods ordered by customer. Without this step, the company will straightforward to ship the order to the customer, which will cause the driver need to distribute the good himself. It will be difficult for the driver to identify which goods were ordered by whom. Finally, this will cause the good to be sent to the wrong customer and the original customer will face the problem of lost goods. The strategy that can solve this problem is the company can add warehousing link in the logistic process. Warehouse is an area for receiving good unpacking, putting on self long-term storage, transportation, loading and unloading, and office work. The good that's sent to the warehouse after supervised will be unpacked and labeled, which is convenient for the company to select, inspect, and pack the goods ordered by customer. This step will help the company to set up the packing table, cross-docking area, and delivery staging area to be as organized and clearly labeled as possible. During times of high order volume, this will make the company to fulfill each order in the shortest possible times and reduce the percentage of wrong or missing items.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Azira binti Rosli and I'm going to explain about the second issue. Second issue is delayed delivery. Delay may occur when a delivery procedure takes longer than anticipated. Advertisements may be necessary as the result of the anticipated congestion. It may be caused by the low production, operational issues during unloading and loading, and congestion on the road network. As a result, delivery frequency and length may suffer, and this issue giving the dissatisfaction to the customers. Next, the strategy that I would suggest to overcome the delayed delivery issue is by working with a reliable partner. The company should choose a reliable, trustable, and company that has a good reputation. Some courier companies have the expertise necessary to ensure that this delay are seamless and streamlined as the rest of the delivery process. Customers want a delivery that is fast and without other inaccuracies. It's much convenient than going to a physical store to have your order delivered to your door. Thus, the mistakes such delayed delivery must be avoided because it has a big impact to the customers. A good performance will build customer trust and loyalty. In other words, it gives customers satisfaction and build IRISL reputation.
Issue number 3 is about rising of fuel cost. The rising of fuel cost is the key issue that could seriously disrupt IRISL logistics structure. It because all the ship that IRSL brought a bulk cargo and cargo ship and big size container. It will use many fuel that have been high price. The factor that caused the high rising of fuel cost is geopolitical and economic circumstance. Are the main factors. Geopolitical is for the example is like wars and the section to go to the company, or the economic circumstance is about some economic structure like Russia was the main supplier of the oil. Other than that, second factor is about commodities traders. Commodities traders also was the factor of high fuel cost. They buy gasoline and sell to the other people with the unusual price. The way to solve it is using routing optimization tools. Ways to find shorter routes and well-informed drivers can make a big difference to your overall fuel cost. Other than that, maritime logistics industry use slow steaming. This is about when there is a reduction of speed on cruising the ship. When they're cruising the ship, greater energy efficiency of a larger container vessel.
Conclusion: there couldn't be any international trade without transportation. Shipping refers to the movement of goods between locations. Logistic objective influence transportation management, container transportation, bulk and general cargo transportation, Caspian Sea shipping service, ship management, cargo and passenger transportation, and maritime insurance service have been the main shipping activity of IRS Group.